Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned about the different possibility, and one of them was we get we put these two in relative to each other for running flat, and that's why we had this trend line. We mentioned we're looking for the breakout, and this is what we get. And now we want to see we have a correction here. We want to see whether this is the one is going to break the top or not. Okay, in this case, if we refer to 15 minute, this is what we get, and now we want to see whether there is one is can continue and break the top, or still we can expect to get one more drop for the flat for continuation. How we can trade it? Okay, this is the only thing, sis. Because if there is a continuation from here, we should have entry above the here or above the top. But if we get one more drop, maybe we can get better opportunity. Okay, in this case, first we'll start with the daily chart. First of all, as we can see, based on daily chart, price is near to the top. We want to see whether the price can break and continue or not. And if the price break and continue, the next level we're looking for is 73K. And one thing we need to know that how about if the price break, and from what we can see from the indicators, maybe we get a divergence. Okay, this is what we need to know in case this one turned to a big correction. Just we need to, I mean, just I highlight this one just for the information. If the price there is a breakout of the top, but there is no continuation, maybe we get the reversal. If we're looking for buy, okay. And if we move to forward chart, as we can see, the based on forward chart, we have nothing. So, I mean, we don't have any trade set up. The only way having entry above the top, because we mentioned whether we can get one more drop similar to what we have here, or this is the only correction is expanding. Because when the price was within this move, we were looking as expanding. All right, now we want to see whether there is a continuation. And if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, based on 1 hour chart, if we want to trade, we by consideration this is the correction for continuation. One of the option is to have an entry above the top, which is this one. The price is 58365. Okay, the another one is made traders, they want to have entry above the stop, whether they put here or there, it doesn't matter. Above the first stop will be almost 57400. The another one is 58365. Any of the, I mean, they can have entry above here or there, the top, as I mentioned right now. Because what we want the price tag and break and continue. But we should know if the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we take out the trade. Because we don't want us to buy the price at the high at the I mean, we don't want to buy the highest price, then the price move for the big correction or reverse. Okay, rather than that, the only option is which is the most safest, we need to wait for the breakout of this top, which is 58365 again. Then if we get any correction, then from there we look for buy. This is can give us, I mean, can, because if we get the price break the top and give us a confirmation, give us a correction, we can get a confirmation for continuation. But sometimes when there is a breakout of the top, maybe we don't get the correction, and even we cannot get the good price to look for buy. Okay, but right now I can show you what I mean by that. First of all, I move to daily chart, because if we daily chart, we see when the price was within this correction, within one candle, daily candle, we see the breakout. All right, that's why the only option was to have entry above the top. But if we move to 1 hour chart, just now we mentioned another option is to wait with the breakout and correction. This is what I mean exact here. Okay, if we see if this is the top, the price broke the top with a sharp move. Okay, then they get the correction, then from there they look for buy. Okay, because at that time when the price was here, there was two options again, having entry above here or here, whichever right now we had it, or we wait for the breakout correction for continuation. And right now this is the only way we can trade it. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. Okay, and we should know that if this one turned to a deeper correction, it can give us a better confirmation for one move up. That's why I mentioned based on 15 minutes. How about if this one give us one more drop? Then maybe we can get any trade set up from there. But right now we had this sharp move and correction already. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade it. And if I get any update, I will share. Thanks.